Quick tip when you're charging lipo batteries, you always have to put it on lipo balance. So every time you start your charger, it goes back in default as lipo charge. They're pretty much all the 4-button, they're pretty much all the same, even this one, which is an older one. It works pretty much the same way. They pretty much have all close to the same menu. But when you close it, this one is on balance right now, but when you turn off the power, you pull the power, everything shuts off. But then when you plug it back in, when it boots up, everything is back on the lipo charge. So you do have to hit the forward button to actually put it on balance charge. So even though you will connect it using the balance lead and the power, if you're on charge, you are not balance charging them. You are just charging it. It will give you an error if you don't have it plugged. It kind of fools you thinking you are in balance mode, but you're not. So you do have to have both wires connected, and then you do have to put it in balance mode. But if you keep going, it goes fast charge, storage mode, discharge, and then it goes back in a circle, charge. Make sure you put it on balance mode. A lot of people, they make the mistake of doing it this way and charging it. So I connected a battery with the balance on it. So I connected both of them, the balance and the power on the balance. I'll just show you real quick when you actually start it. So here, we'll put it on charge. We'll put it on 2S. And then we'll put it on battery. So now it's actually start, confirm. So both of them are actually charging right now. This one is on normal lipo charge. This one is on balance. If you notice, it's exactly the same. And if you hit forward, you actually see the 2 cells on it being charged. So once you've started the charge, you can't tell if it's a balanced charge or not. So just be careful. Both will work. It's just this one is going to charge the battery until it gets the right voltage. This one will trickle charge until the 2 cells actually match. So you do have to be careful. If you hit the forward button, you do see your cells if they're going at the same time or overcharge. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful, and we'll talk to you the next time. Till then, go charge up some batteries like I'm doing right now. Go out there and have some fun and break something, because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Cheers. Talk to you guys later.